The next part of functions then is to look at what we call composite functions, and just like the last part, this is for higher tier only as well. A composite function is basically a function of a function. So what we should consider it as is, what if last time we said that, right, we took the value of x, we put it into a computer, the computer did something to it, such as x plus 1, and gave out an answer. Well, what happens if we put x plus 1 into the computer? The computer thinks that x plus 1 is x, so that it does whatever it has to do to x plus 1 instead. It's doing a function to a function. Let's have a look at that. So let's say the function of x is x plus 2. So that's one function. Another function, we'll call it gx, because we don't want to mix up the two, is x squared. We can then combine those two equations to create a fg function. And what happens if we have the fg of 4? Well, the g of 4, notice how I'm working with the second function first, the g function, is 4 squared, which is 16. And now I'm feeding that into the second equation, which was the f equation, because that one came first. So 16 plus 2 is 18. So I work with the function that's second in line first, in this case the g, work out the value I get when I put x in for that. So in this case 4 squared, because the g of x was x squared. And then whatever I have value from that, I feed that into the other equation. And in this case, we did 16 plus 2 to give us 18. So the fg of 4 is 18. The g of 4 is 16. The f of 16 is 18. So the fg of 4 is 18.